With the North Luzon Expressway and the Subic-Tarlac Expressway, via the Dinalupihan exit, wala pang 2 oras ang land travel. Ang mga public provincial buses naman may biyahe rin through Balanga City. Another great and even faster alternative to get to Bataan is ang ferry ride. May mga ferry services mula sa CCP Terminal hanggang sa Manila Bay. In 45 minutes to an hour, nasa Port Orion na kayo sa Bataan. Ang ilang resorts dito may sarili ng ferries which take their guests directly to their facilities. Tulad na lang ng first stop natin this morning, ang Kamaya Coast. Ito ang ating extended beach getaway with my guests, Pokwang and Kay Brosas. Kasama pa ang mga anak nila, sina May and Crystal. And my very special dude who's now on vacation from school and on fun and cool assignment as my co-host, BMB! Bongga! Dahil unang nag-welcome sa amin ang Governor-elect ng Bataan na si Albert Abet Garcia.
Oo, gusto kayo. Ang gwapo ni Goop, dali. Kay!
Nahihiya na ako na. Galangin mo naman siya. Hi, Abet. Nice to meet you. Hello. This is Bim. Bim, say hi.
Hindi ah.
This is Kay.
Hi, hello po.
Welcome to Bataan.
A big new development, ang Freeport area na bumubuhay ngayon sa manufacturing, technological, shipbuilding, at iba pang mga negosyo sa lalawigan.
For the past 2 years, naging Freeport na siya. Tapos, a lot of locators came back in. Tapos, we have the highest growth for 2012.
Ay,
among all
congrats!
Freeports.
So, anong meron doon na masaya?
Manufacturing, electronics, trading.
Walang restaurant? Wala pa masyado?
It's starting to come in.
At least.
Starting to come
Okay.
in. Pero there's a lot of workers, by the thousands,
Ay,
new
thank
jobs
God!
created.
Oo.
So, maraming trabaho.
So, it's good for Bataan.
Good for Bataan and the neighboring provinces also.
Ay, ang galing. Ba't ka nag-invest dito po?
Eh, di mahilig daw sa dagat eh.
O, tapos
Sino maganda?
Sino nag-offer?
Yung kapatid ko.
Ay,
Kaibigan niya yung yung ahente.
O, tapos?
Kaibigan ng kapatid ko.
And then, what happened?
Nagpapahanap kasi ako sa may Batangas banda. Tapos, pinakita niya sa akin to, magugusto mo yung kamaya. So, tinry ko naman, okay.
Goody Ilagat of Kamaya Coast showed us around the place.
Is this your first development or you have others?
This is the first one. The tourist related. But we've started some developments in the past, maybe a few years ago.
Like?
Small residential subdivision.
Where?
In the areas of Bataan.
Ah,
Bulacan,
dito
and
talaga.
Subic. Yeah.
Okay.
Sobrang inviting ang perfect sunny weather and white sand beach dito. Kaya naman si Bim, super excited nang magtampisaw.
Ako bibigyan namin yung all-the-way.
Okay, later we're gonna ride the banana boat, okay?
Oh my God, I'm ready for other...
We're going to the pavilion.
Walk us around. How big is your ano?
Properties around 350 hectares.
But your beachfront is how big?
The
Laki ah.
beachfront is 600 meters.
Uy, not bad.
600
Laki. 600 meters daw yung beachfront. Meron kayong condo style, villa, what do you have?
Yep, mostly residential lots, but we have condos and villas as well.
Operational na yan?
We turned over some of the lots first quarter of this year.
Etong
So,
may villas that you could stay at?
the
wala
hotel.
pa?
The hotel is
Where's the
partially
hotel?
functional. It's there. Yeah.
Ilan ang rooms nun?
It's going to be 40 rooms, but right now it's operational 10 rooms for
Okay na
the
yun.
residents and guests. Yeah.
Saan na tayo ngayon?
Okay, this is the walkway of the commercial area.
Oh.
This commercial area will contain the restaurants. So this is like the diversity of different restaurants here later on. But right now, we're still operating the restaurants on our own. But later on, we'll be opening it to potential concessionaires. So that the diversity will be there of different chefs, different entrepreneurs.
So, Christy, what?
Pagka-graduate ni May sa Enderan,
Oh.
malayo ka ng restaurant dito.
Okay.
Of course.
Alam mo yan.
Okay, ano itong area to? Oo, maganda yung pagkagawa mo. Nice. Even the mirrors are nice. Tapos,
This is the lobby of the hotel. And this is the hallway leading to the expansion at the back. And these are the hotel rooms here. This is the reception area.
this is the...
This is the one bedroom.
Uy, laki!
Here you have a view of the sea and then you have a view of the plaza.
Oops, maganda siya.
Oh, yes.
And here you make the balcony big.
Fairness, Oh,
Together here.
ganda.
Oo, nice. Kaya ang ganda ng view.
And then also from here you can see the plaza if there are any events later on. So
Ang ganda.
yeah.
Ganda idea na to. Okay. Why? Because it's aircon? Okay. Alam niyo na.
This one is the family suite. Yeah, there's going to be other types of rooms once the 30 rooms at the back are
This is called the family
Yeah,
suite.
family
Bakit?
just the one bedroom.
Where's-
There are more.
There's another bed pa sa labas?
There's a
It's a sofa bed?
yeah.
Ah.
And actually the bathrooms at the back are also full bathrooms. There's a shower for the bathroom in here and the one outside. Because knowing how Filipino outings are, there's usually, people are going to sleep in the living room. So
Oh, yeah, I know.
we made sure that there's a full
Ah,
bathroom.
ito! Day
Three beds,
bed!
yeah.
Oh, it's also their style in Discovery sa Boracay and Siang Boracay. Ganito rin. So at least kasha. Kaya it's called a family suite kasi 2 doon. So pwedeng 4. Right? Oo, good for 4 people. Go, join us please. Maganda na yung mga roads.
Kumusta na?
We're constructing it.
Papunta pa lang sa
Almost
kagandahan.
finished. Almost finished.
So kailan matatapos?
Siguro 90%.
Yeah, actually 90% complete. It should be done by maybe within 2 months. Actually, we passed here by land this
By
morning.
land kami ngayon.
Yeah, I came from Manila this morning. I arrived here in less than 3 hours.
Saan ang exit?
It's NLEX, then SCTEX, Dinalupian exit, then Bataan Highway, all the way to the Freeport area of Bataan. Then from the Freeport area of Bataan, 12 kilometers to get here.
Ah, so okay na. Wow, bongga.